What the recipient sees. Unboxing an Amazon gift.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on what information is visible to the recipient when receiving an Amazon gift. It's always exciting to receive a gift, but it's also important to understand what information the sender sees when you open it. In this video, we'll discuss what data is included and what remains hidden.
What's on the gift receipt?
When someone sends you a gift from Amazon, the package usually includes a gift receipt. The gift receipt includes the name of the item, a message from the sender, if they included one, and the order number. Crucially, it does not display the price of the item. It also doesn't include any payment information related to the sender's method of payment.
What's not on the gift receipt?
Your gift receipt won't include any sensitive information about the sender, such as their full name, unless they've chosen to include it in the gift message, address, or other personal details. It also won't show any financial data or order history. It's important to note that the gift receipt does not give the recipient the ability to track the sender's future purchases or other account activity on Amazon.
Can the recipient see the sender's information?
Generally, the recipient can see the sender's name, as Amazon includes this information as part of the gift message. However, only the name that the sender chooses to disclose will be visible. Amazon doesn't automatically include any other identifying information about the sender, ensuring a level of privacy. In conclusion, when you receive an Amazon gift, the included receipt gives you basic information about the gift, a message from the sender, if included, and the order number. It doesn't display the item's price or any of the sender's personal, financial, or order information. This allows for a pleasant gift opening experience that respects the privacy of the sender. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding some light on the Amazon gifting process. Happy unboxing!